guess, yes. I'm missing any action.
TJ!
Save it! Sorry for the sweat. Yeah, no worries. No worries.
Get it out!
Come on, guys. Let's go, hey, let's go. Hey, that's what I was wondering.
Did he not pick it out? Oh, that might have been it. I won't do it. No, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Go to him!
Get ready!
PK?
Are you seriously? Are we calling?
Come on, guys!
Yeah, that was a PK. Come on, Jordy! Let it go, bud. What's going on, boys?
All right, good.
Get ready,
Here go, Mason.
Big Mason, you got it.
Oh, man.
Go to the corner, Nick. There you go.
I know.
Yeah!
Woo! Here we go. Let's go, yellow. Let's go.
Let's go, SSA. Woo! All day long. That guy get it? I don't know. This guy's getting it. What's up, Dean? We're yellow.
Let's go, go up.
Let's go. Great ball, TJ. Go, go, go. Go with it, Nick. Get it in. Play clean. Press, guys. Press. Get ready.
Hey, go.
Go, boys. Go, Grayson. Get up there. Get ready.
Go, go.
Get ready for it, Nick. Get ready for it, Nick.
There you
go,
go.
Grayson. Shot.
PK. Got him. Oh. Nice shot, Nick.
Woo! Good job, guys.
Why
Do it
Grayson
again.
can't get out in the box?
With him.
I don't understand. I don't know where this
Woo!
came from. Is that because probably?
Go.
Yep.
Dad, I'm just going to keep the camera wherever the ball is going.
Get ready, yellow.
Ready to press?
Shows a wide part of the field.
I know.
Press up high. Press up now. There you go.
Go, go, go.
Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Shoot. You gotta be fast and quick. Good job.
There you go, TJ.
That's out.
It's out.
Actually out on them.
You got to see it. Shoot that, baby. Shoot it. You
Put it
got
in the net.
You got it.
Put it in the net.
Get
There
ready.
you go, next. Here we go, bud.
Watch the middle. Watch the middle. Ian.
Here we go, buddy.
Yes, Nicholas, go. Get up there. Go
Let's
in.
shoot. Go in.
Go in. Pass it, pass it. Go in. Yes, buddy. Use that body. Attaboy.
Come.
There's another foul.
Come on. Ooh.
Ball both ways.
Same.
I just don't understand it.
Thank you, Hunter.
I'll let him do this. I don't understand it. We get a PK and then we've had 2 fouls.
Nick.
Yeah. I wrote on a notepad that said that on it the other
No.
day. Go, 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 boys. Let's go, Ian. Get it, Ian. Nice, buddy. Keep it up. Keep it up. Get him, Ian. That's you, Jordy. TJ, come out. Way to be there, Nathan. Nice. Good job, Jordy. Go, Jordy. Go, Ian. Go, Nick. Go, Nick. Hey. My gosh. Thank you. Go, buddy. Go.
Whoa. Look up
Watch
there.
yourself, buddy.
Look at
parents.
Don't worry about it. Go, hey. Toughen up. Let's go, Yellow.
Down the line,
Huh.
Nick. He can throw far. Go, go, go.
There you go. That's okay.
Boys, can we watch that off the ball? There's no need for that. There's no
Hey,
need for that
that's
at
like
all.
3 times.
The same kid every time.
All right, dude. Don't worry about it. Play your game.
I'm gonna start recording.
No need for that,
Nick, you
boys. I'm
keep
watching
going,
that,
baby.
okay?
Keep going, Nick. You got it. Play clean, baby.
Go, 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 go.
Throw it.
There you go. There you go.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah.
Go outside. It's offside.
It's off, it's off.
You didn't call it? That boy makes sense.
He keeps giving out warnings.
You're right. That's for the first play down here.
He's 10
I
feet
got that
offside,
save.
both
There you
of their
go.
players.
There you go. Go help out.
Actually, 10 yards offside. I have it on video if you want to see it. I'm not, like, go yellow!
Oh, gosh.
I've never seen kids, so you want to see the video, how far offside they are?
There you
You're
go.
going to get kids hurt.
Come on.
Go, G. Go, G. Thank you. Where'd you park? Oh.
Talk, boys! Let's
I
talk!
thought my husband was behind me. Just talking to the world.
There you go,
Stay
Ian.
on me, Ian. Good job.
Nick, watch the
Nick.
middle.
Nick.
TJ, you got a
TJ,
minute
back here.
TJ, watch your back. Watch your back, TJ.
Nice.
Go, go.
Go, go, go. Keep those
We gotta beat it. We gotta beat it.
Ian. Nice. Stay
You
with it,
got
buddy.
control
Stay
it.
with it. Stay with it. It's all right.
It's all right. Let's go, Yellow. Come on. Hey, let's go, dude. Head up. Let's go. Nick, now you know. You got a good shot. You're okay.
Let's go, Luke.
What?
He has to be outside the
Pressure, guys. Pressure, Samuel.
Get after it.
Why wasn't that kid outside the circle like he's required to be on a
Go,
kickoff?
Christopher.
Go, Jordy. Go, Jordy. Go up. Nick, you gotta be there. Go, Nick.
Keep going. There you go.
Cross.
Come on, Teddy.
Cross.
That's good, buddy. That's a good thought. Get it, Nick. Get it, Nick. Get it, Teddy.
Go, Teddy. He fell on his
Don't
own
you
feet.
dare.
Don't call that.
Come on.
Go after it. Go, G. Same team. Go. Is Nick not on the left side?
Good job, Christopher.
Yeah, he is.
Pressure.
Oh, he's definitely for that. He's definitely. Seriously?
Get up, baby.
Thank you.
Finally, thanks. Same kid. Keep an eye.
What's behind you?
Get it, Luke. Get it, baby.
Buddy.
Get it, Luke.
Jordy, you gotta put pressure. Go, Teddy. Go, Teddy. Better not put that on her. Are you kidding?
Samuel, pide el balón, Samuel. Tienes que pedirlo, hijo.
Let's go. That's you, TJ. Win it. You got it, baby. You got it. Get your arms down. Thank you. What?
Watch yourself. Come on, guys. Did he not blow his whistle? I know. Did he not blow his whistle? Was that not our field?
Hey, you play the ball, Nick. You play clean, baby. You got it. You're the bigger person. Nick. Watch up top. Watch up top, Nick. Get it out! Go, Teddy! Win it, Teddy!
Good shield, Teddy.
Yes, TJ! Go! Go! Teddy, go! Teddy, go! Don't push him in the back!
Oh, so close. Really?
So close.
Breakout line, right there.
You're good. Great shot, Jake. Pass, Cheech. Do it again. Come on, bud. Let's play.
Go! Get after it! Don't let him win!
Pass it now, pass it.
Go, TJ, you gotta get out!
You. What are we calling?
Offside, boys. Pass his lines offside, boys.
Thank you.
Hey, get over here.
Let's go, TJ, take it, let's go!
22, right where you are.
No, it's our ball, baby.
Right there, 22. That's fine.
Go, push up now.
Luke, open it!
Get ready, get ready, get ready. I got it, guys. Nice, buddy.
Yes, go, Luke! Go, Luke!
Settle it, guys.
Go, Nick! Go, Nick! Just play it!
Don't stop. Play to the whistle. It's there. Out.
Buddy, hey, get in the game.
Great job, buddy. Great job.
Go, Nick, go, Nick, go, Nick.
That's all right. Hey, it's an
Okay,
accident.
all right,
It's
come
still
on,
a
come
foul.
on. Hey,
It's all right, it's all right.
Wake up, Nick.
Just let it go.
Nick, hey, Nick, shake it off.
Stop talking to the ref. Stop talking to the ref. It's okay. Settle down, guys. We got this.
Get it out. There you go, Jordy. Get after it, Jordy.
Thank you. Go, Teddy, go! Now watch the boys. Pass it! Yes, Jordy! What are you doing? Take him out.
We're not doing this.
Focus, Jordy, focus!
I'm not going up there right now.
Pídela, señor, pídela.
Help him!
Go collect some pine cones over there. I thought you were talking about the playground. Yes, you can go into the
Pídela,
playground.
señor.
Yes! Yes! Go, Teddy, go!
Go, Teddy.
Good job.
Go, Teddy. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Yes, yes,
pass it,
stay
pass
up.
it,
Stay up, Teddy. You got it.
He's on
Offside. Offside.
Yes. Great job, G.
Way to play the ball! Great job!
There you go, G. Keep it up. Yellow, let's play the ball. We play clean. Let's go. Check the short. Nick, check the short. That's you, Nick. Yes, TJ. Go, Teddy. Go, Teddy. Go, Teddy. Watch go.
Watch it!
Good job, guys. Good
Just
job.
play the ball. Just play the ball.
Play to the whistle, boys! Boys, let the coach worry about the ref. You play.
Go. Go, Jordy. Yes, Jordy. Go, Luke.
Handball in the box. Handball in the box.
Yo, we're not calling it. Let Jordy take it.
Jordy got fouled. Let Jordy take it.
I hate this call for the.
Whoever got fouled takes it. This is embarrassing.
No, si el balón te dieron la pelota en el cuerpo, un rebote.
He did watch the pop.
Big.
Let's go, Yellow. Keep it down, Teddy. Keep it down. Beautiful.
Good shot, Teddy. Way to go, Jordy.
Great job, boys. Play the ball and talk.
Where are they going?
Blue water.
Hydration break.
Stacy, they do that English premiere indoors at 8 o'clock at night.
How
so
ridiculous was that?
It was embarrassing.
How ridiculous. When they took their water break, I was like, it's indoors. Like, why? Y'all don't need a water break.
It's climate controlled indoors. Seriously? So is it 2-1?
Then you said PK, and I was like, oh yeah, okay, probably went in. They're doing so many PKs, I can't even keep track. Yeah. But I can't, but I'm doing this. So like follow the
Flip flop. That's why I took it this morning. I was like, I'm not washing my hair because I know I'm in that. Great job, buddy. Keep it up.
Let's go, yellow!
Watch wide, Teach. Watch wide.
No fouls, no fouls.
Get it. Watch your arm.
Oh, and then a bad pass.
Get it out. There you go, Teddy. Go, Lou.
Yes, Lou.
Go, Teddy. Go, Teddy. Look for Nick.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at him shoving with both hands.
Literally shoving him in the back.
Handball! Woo! Handball!
Goal.
I'll take the goal. I'll take the goal there. I didn't see that.
Yellow.
Way to go, Yellow!
TJ,
push the ball.
Teddy, it was a goal.
Yeah. You
Do
got
it.
a point, baby.
Good job, boys. Do it again.
I thought it was the back.
Let's go, Yellow. Let's go, Yellow.
We must have
Watch to the left, Teach. Good job, baby.
Attaboy.
Job.
Go, Joaquin. Look at Teddy.
Pass it, Joaquin.
Go, go, go. Keep going. Open up, Teddy.
Nice, watch
Go,
it.
Teddy. Go, Teddy. Go. Beautiful. Good try.
That was.
That was good. Keep the pressure. Good job,
Good pass,
boys.
Joaquin.
Good pass, Joaquin. Good job, Joaquin. Keep it up, Yellow. Get ready, Joaquin. This is coming to you. Go, 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 Teddy.
Way to go.
Go, Jordy.
Go, Jordy. Go, Jordy. Go. Yes. Beautiful. Now
Go.
Pick it up. Cross it.
Press. Go, baby. Go. Go, go. Still in the moment.
There we go. Come on, G.
This is you, G.
Yes,
This
G.
is you, G. Drop back and help.
Who's helping him?
Jordy, Jordy, drop middle. Jordy, drop middle. Jordy. Go, Luke. Go, Luke.
Take it up.
Shoot.
Thank you.
Shoot again. Do it again.
Take it from him.
Take it, TJ. Go, go, go.
There you
Go,
go.
go, 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 go.
Go, boys. Who's up there?
Right. You gotta like cover it.
Nice. There we go.
Go, baby. Go, babe. Go, Joaquin.
Look, Joaquin.
Do it, TJ. Go, TJ.
Stay with
Go,
him, TJ.
TJ.
Stay with him.
Boy.
Go, TJ. Go. Good job, G.
Boys, after, he's gone
Gotta
already.
stop.
He's still hit elbow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good job, boys. Good job.
boys.
Good job, G.
Talk to each
job,
other,
Ken.
Yellow.
When he has the ball, but afterwards, he's not gonna-
And before
All
the
right.
ball, too.
Be ready.
Beautiful.
Look how hard he can kick it out of bounds.
Stop.
You guys are going to need to stand down there.
Good job, 22.
Sorry,
Good, Nixon.
It just bothers me.
Please don't play him back here. Why? He never plays this.
You got this, Nixon.
Romeo.
You go, buddy.
Got it, bud.
Look at Luke, look at G.
Yes, it, buddy.
Go, baby, go. You gotta go hard. You gotta go hard.
Yes, G.
Go, G. Go, Teddy.
Go, Teddy, go, Teddy, go.
Luke, you gotta help.
Get him.
You gotta help.
Are you kidding me? Keep going.
Go, Luke. Keep going. Go, Luke.
Help him.
Go.
Get him on, Luke. Come on, Luke.
Oh, he's still down.
That was a hard tackle.
Boys, stay back. Stay back. Give him room.
Let Teddy check on him.
Grab a knee, Nix.
Luke, take a knee.
There you go.
Luke.
Mason. Neat.
It's like after I got beat up this morning,
Brother's trying to help you.
all right, no one's judged. It's hot.
Way to go, Cam.
Way to be tough.
It's palatable. That's why. So what are we doing? Can our kids be over here? Yeah.
Drop ball. Luke, go. Go to the ball. Go to the ball.
Come on. He's gonna let him give him 10 yards. But find your marks. Find your marks. Go.
You got
this, buddy.
Control
There you go, Nixon. Look at G.
Oh, it looks good.
Get out, run him in.
Romeo, ábrete, ve para adelante, ve para adelante.
There you go, Ian. That a boy. Nice. There you go.
Go,
Good
G.
ball.
Go, Teddy, go, Teddy,
Go in, Luke. You gotta help.
That's it. Corner.
Not grab him.
Just keep playing.
Why's his hand out? You want him to look at
You can't hear the whistle.
He's not rolling it, I don't think.
Well, then it should be a foul.
Why do you think that was a good ref?
Look at G.
Go.
Yeah, go corner. There you go.
I can just feel the sweat. I don't know that.
Come on, baby. Don't let this buy you, Luke. Nixon, you protect this backfield.
Go. Yes, Luke. Don't let him cross.
Don't come
Go,
up too
Nixon.
far.
Yes,
Follow
Nixon,
it.
follow.
Yellow.
Good
Good
ball,
job,
2-4.
Yellow. Keep on your toes.
Check the line now.
Watch your guy back there, Ian.
Go. Go, baby. Go, Joaquin. Cross to Teddy.
Oh, there we go, corner. Good job, boys. I mean, Jordy wasn't.
Teddy, go into the box.
Do it now.
But no one's in the box.
Now no one's in the box. No, wait. Drop it back to him.
Drop it back.
Now go corner.
Okay.
Go in. Follow it, Luke. Get in the box.
Pull it back.
Stay with him, Ian.
Go, G. Go, G. Go, G.
There you go, bud. Hustle back, boys. Oh, out.
No, it's yellow.
I'm keeping the shade, but then I get too close to you, and then when you want to yell, you step away from me. So you have to yell in my ear.
Go, Luke.
There.
Good.
Where are you guys?
Go after it. Go after it. Go to the ball. Go to the yes, Nixon.
Watch your other side. Watch your backside.
Don't come up
Go,
too
Nixon.
far.
Go, Joaquin.
Don't come up too
No
far.
one's protecting the back right, Ian. You gotta be
Gotta get back. Gotta get back.
Grayson.
Oh, Grayson, stand on. Attaboy.
Go,
Go, get
go,
that, Eddie.
Go,
There you go, Ian.
Now we have.
Joaquin, stay on, stay on.
Get to the middle.
Oh.
Are you kidding?
Actually took a shoe off.
He's literally playing the ball. Maybe out of bounds.
Go, Luke! Go, Luke! Come here! Keeper!
Get him,
Yes,
Mason!
Mason! Get it out! Get it out!
That a boy?
Nice job,
Go get Joaquin!
Go, Joaquin!
Look up! Look up!
Good job,
Good job!
Don't back it up, buddy. Ian, aren't you the right back? Stay back.
There you go. There you
That
go,
was
bud.
cute.
Go, baby! Go! Go, babe!
Watch your right side. Ian, there's a guy over there that'll take off running. So used to being in the midfield. I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah. It's like, oh, he's like, I can go wherever I want. Wait, not that. That was cute that he immediately realized it. Oh, yep.
Drop back, Luke. You're mid.
Go to the ball. Somebody get him. There you go.
Go after it, Luke. That's yours. Take it. Take it. Get up, baby.
Backside, Nick!
Get him, Nixon. Get him, Nixon.
Go after it. Go after it.
Yes.
Go, bud.
Go, Nixon. Yes, Nixon. Go, baby. Go. Get it, Luke. Play clean.
That's
Great job, Yellow.
That way it's okay. Good job.
Whew.
Do you have to go to the bathroom?
There are bathrooms in here. Yeah, it's right. It's literally right there.
I don't know. Ask Dan. I don't know.
They're not
Does
coming.
anything try to catch
They're not coming.
I've
yet.
got to go.
She's being a mauler over here. I'm not even trying.
Okay.
My phone's about to die.
And just watch my back. Make sure nobody like if you guys could maybe
You wanna jog my phone?
Yeah, that's great. Thanks.
Let's go, E.
I think
Go, Luke. Go, Luke. Go.
they got somebody working on their house.
Look at Ian.
Stay up, buddy!
Let's go, Al.
Corner, babe. Put this in. Go near post. Jordy, are you left or right?
It's hot up here, honey.
Go, 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 go.
And
Go,
camera.
E. Don't let him win. There you go. Get after it, Lofton.
Come on, Liza. Pass it down, Liza.
Go after it, TJ. Go after it. Go, G. Gotta get it out of there.
Oh, good. Come on, G.
Go, G. Keep going.
Liza, to the ball, guys. Come on. Go, guys. Liza, you gotta pass it quicker, man.
Go, gotta stay tight with him.
I didn't see.
Fuerte.
All right, let's go.
Liza, let's get the ball and pass it. We're a team. We're a team. Let's play as a team.
Yes, go, Luke. Go, go, go. Get it out of there. Yes.
For Nick!
Nixon.
Great job!
Get it.
Beautiful. Thanks, G.
Go, Jordy.
Come on, Jordy. Why or not?
Go, Jordy. There you go. Keep playing. Go, Jordy. Go, baby.
Yellow.
That's fine, Jordy. Way to help, buddy. Stay right there.
Get it out. There you go. Go,
Go
go,
up,
go,
Luke,
go,
go.
go, go.
Look at him go. Oh, I can move.
Great hustle, Luke. Great hustle. Get ready.
Get up, Nick!
Luke.
And a boy.
Go in,
Cross.
Jordy. Go in, Jordy. There you go. It's a corner. Did it not hit his... Did it not bounce off?
I think he might have bounced it off.
go, go, go. Don't let him win. There you go, TJ.
Come on, yellow.
Before the blue line. Before the blue line. Down here. There you go, TJ. Go, TJ. Take it. Go, Lou.
Touch.
Go.
Come on,
Let's go, let's go. Luke, go down. Luke, go in.
Settle it.
Bradley, behind you, Bradley.
Have a seat.
Go after TJ. Go, G. Go, G.
Nice.
Great
nice.
ball, G.
Nice.
Go, go,
John.
go.
Middle.
Cross.
Nice try.
Keep
nice
going, G.
try.
It's still in.
Stay with it.
There you go, G.
Ooh.
That's right. Top five.
There you go, Ian.
Go, 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 go. Lucas, stay on your feet.
Bradley. Pasa donde buena ya.
Go, Jordy.
Control that. That's okay.
Come on, Jordy.
You feel good?
Yes, Jordy, keep going. Keep going, play the ball.
Down. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Jordan, back up. Back up. Stop talking.
Hey, here we go, yellow.
We know what happened. Get ready, mark it up.
Play clean, Jordy.
Nixon, watch out wide.
We saw it.
Be ready, Jordy. Be ready. Be on the line.
Good.
You're good. Be ready. Be ready. Play ball. You're good. You're good.
Turn it.
This is your ball. There you go.
You didn't play it. You didn't play it. We're going to play it off his head.
Break out line.
It's cold. Oh, then just wave it. Open it up and wave it like this, and they'll cool off.
Go left. Go left.
Come on, guys, let's put pressure.
Open up, Jordy. Get away from them. Get ready to run your box. There you go. It was a good ball. Yes, yes. Go, Jordy. Go, Jordy. Fight it. There you go, yellow.
Right there, Ian.
Go, 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 go.
Middle.
Look at Ian. Get up and get ready. Look at Ian.
Right across it.
Pass it.
Are you gonna? You're talking about arms. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking
He literally just pushed him.
Yellow ball.
Give it to TJ.
Breathe, Alaya, breathe.
Hey,
Come
hey.
on, let's take the air out.
Y'all check the ball. You're good. You play your game. Yes, 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 TJ. Go again. Go again. Go again, baby. Go, Gene.
Down, boys.
Get him, Ian. Get him, Ian.
Holding there, buddy. And see.
Mom!
Hey, calm down there.
Well, have Dad help you. He's standing right next to you.
Get ready. Mark it up.
No, you don't need a wet.
Nixon, watch that wide.
Here.
Baby, you win that. Go, baby. Go. Pass it. Jordy, popcorn.
Back to him.
Yes, go, baby.
Keep going! Keep going!
Go, baby.
Great pass.
Oh, the next. Okay.
Bradley, that's for the ball, Bradley.
Yes,
Bradley, that's
this
for the
is
ball.
beautiful. Keep the pressure.
TJ, watch out.
Hey, that boy, 2-4.
Let him do that all day.
Yeah.
Great job, Yellow.
Go, Luke, go.
Good job,
Good
Camilo.
game, Yellow.
No offsides on throwing, Jordy. Until they touch it.
Cross it. Hey, give me chances.
chair's back there.
No, the ball is live. Go.
There's not room up here for a chair.
Sit
back here, though.
by mommy.
Why are we
Sit by mommy in this
What
one.
are
I'm
we
not sitting.
sitting for?
You want to like
Go,
hop
go, go.
over? Daddy can knock you over if you want.
Sit on Colin's lap.
Ooh, that's so cold.
Go in, Jordy.
Can I try it?
Way to make that run towards that front post. Good idea.
Feels so nice.
Jordy, drop out and drop back in.
Ooh, that
Go,
feels
baby.
so nice.
Go,
Thank
go,
you.
go.
No, not on my head though. No, I don't. Not on my head because I don't want it to hit my glasses.
Now make a run.
And
Now
then
make
put
a
on my
run.
shoulder.
Right now.
Do it again.
There it is.
Go, Jordy.
Go, Jordy.
Do it.
Where are you?
Do it. Look at Luke.
Back him up, Ian. Back him up, Ian.
Go. Look at Luke.
Does that feel better?
Way better. That towel is very cool.
Ready for the pop out,
Can I
bud?
try it, Haley? No.
Let's go. SSA. We got it.
Ooh, super nice. My legs are so
Who's near
hot.
post? Who's near post?
Thank you, honey.
Check in. Check in.
That feels good.
Very good.
Jordy, you gotta go in. Go.
Oh.
Get
Get there, TJ.
Take it. Corner. Oh no, I think it's up. Thank you, TJ.
Corner.
Great job,
Good
Yellow.
team.
Great job.
Hey, good ball, too far.
Good hustle, TJ.
Go in the box. Corner, boys.
Good hustle, TJ.
Next, take
Over
the
their
shot,
heads.
bud.
Yes. Go. Take the corner.
Okay, no, I can get my knees because they're all sitting.
Get ready, Ian.
It's okay.
Jordy, use your body.
I hear, like, I hear my husband. I do not see him.
Finish. Yes.
Oh, stay with it, stay with it. Stay with it, Ian. Stay with it. Oh my gosh, so close, buddy. Good try.
Mom!
Go, Dixon.
You ready for him to get it back to you? Yes.
There you go, baby. Stop it.
Nice touch. Nice touch.
Look at Nixon.
Jordy, go.
Nice. Oh, look at Jordy.
Go get it.
Oh, good idea. That's all right. Good job, boys.
I like the passing.
Wait, what? I am. What do you want me to do? Oh,
No? Now hold it.
I'm not moving.
Hold it.
All right, let's go, boys.
Go.
Get it, Nick. Get it, Nick. Let's go, Nick. Let's stay with him.
There you go.
Yellow.
There you go. Good job.
Yellow, get ready. Let's go.
Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Toss it.
Crossing. Go in.
You're in the way.
Oh, it's in. Go
Oh,
in.
you're too close.
Drop it.
Teddy, get in the box.
Get out of the way.
Haley,
You're way
move.
too close.
Come on, let's go.
You're in the way.
You're too close. You have to be over
Haley.
here.
You got this, Teach. Do it again.
Going 2-2. Hey, here we go, Nix.
You're way too close.
Got this, boys.
Take me.
Get ready, guys. Y'all got this.
Can I see it?
No, not right now.
Cross. Big cross.
Beautiful.
There you go. Attaboy,
Too
2-2.
close. It was just too blurry. You're way too close.
That's right, Yellow.
Teddy, you left striker.
No, you're way too close. You need to move that way.
Left.
Way down there. Not by the blue line though. Move that way.
Do it, G.
Come on, G.
Do it, G.
Come on, Ian.
Oh, good look.
Sorry.
Move. Go down there.
Those guys so close. Let's keep it up.
Yes,
Nixon.
Nixon. They're beautiful.
Go, buddy. Go. Further.
Going.
Help out.
Go, 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 go.
Why are we blowing the whistle?
Haley.
Good job.
Haley, you gotta stay over here. You're gonna get hit by the ball.
Find your mark. Find your mark. That's right. Watch the
Haley.
throw. Watch the throw.
You got this.
Watch out. You're gonna get hit by the ball.
And I'll show you.
No. Coach, push them out.
Go, Stop playing it. Go.
Play it.
Shoulder.
Get that. Go, Nixon. Follow it. She got it. She got it.
Got this. Nixon.
dude. Take it off. That's nothing, dude.
I've got a bunch of pictures.
Good D, here we go.
The aftermath.
Yes.
Jake.
No, I
Go, Nathan. Pass. Pass. Go.
Great idea.
Water break? Water break.
One click. No. Clicked it like
Put water on your head. There you go. Quite a few chips.
Isn't that awesome? How is that possible?
Nothing is going to happen to you.
Where was the ball?
No wrinkles for you, baby. Who's playing what? TJ's playing center mid? What's he playing? Okay. But what's G playing then?
Do you want a drink?
No, walking. Where's G?
He's right there. Oh, you're little. I don't know.
Oh, that's an elbow up.
That's all right.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, after it.
Oh, follow! Go,
Follow.
Stay tough, buddy. Stay tough. You're doing great.
Play that ball.
Go, Teddy! Go, Teddy! Go, G! Do it, G!
Oh.
Follow it.
Oh.
Follow it. Chase it.
Take it easy. Please take me. Thank you.
Nick.
Isn't that the kid that we don't? I think so. He's had a tough game.
Nick.
I need the one goal by there.
Stop that. That was supposed to be mine too, by the way. You guys ate my snack.
Because you couldn't eat it.
I know, because I'm nice.
I think Mason could bring the shade off. It's like
Mason!
no. My foot hurts. What?
Hey.
What's the matter?
Go, Teddy!
Help him out.
Take a touch! Yes, go,
Shoot.
Nick! Shot!
Good shot.
Keep going!
He hit so hard.
Go, Nick! Got him, play!
Come on,
Get on!
one more time.
Beautiful, G! Go!
Get ready,
Go get it, buddy.
Good job. Do it again. Pressure.
Go, G! Do it! Just do it, G! Go, G!
Buddy.
Yes! Go, G!
Oh. Good touch, pressure.
Well done, 11. Well
Do
done.
that again. Do it again. Down 1-1.
Great job, G! Keep it up! Let's go, Yellow!
I don't think you're even recording it.
Sorry.
I am.
That's nice of you.
I'm bored. It's very hot. I'm bored. How much time is left in the game?
I don't know. They just started the second. Oh no, that was the water break.
Come on.
Now.
Go!
In the middle, Joaquin.
There's 12 minutes.
Yes.
Good job, TJ.
Go, Nick! Go!
Fighting it.
Go, Nick! Keep fighting! Play clean! Play clean!
Hey, boys.
It's your foul right there, man. I get it. It's your foul.
Back up. It's all right. Back up.
It's okay, Nick. Play the ball.
Mark up.
Get ready! Turn around and pay attention!
Don't you worry. Try to keep your feet.
Get it.
Nick, play clean.
You gotta pass the ball, buddy. Don't just kick it.
Just calm down, buddy. You got it. Play your game. Let's go, Yellow! Drop it back.
Okay.
Way to be tough!
Get up. It's okay.
It's all right, dude.
You need to sub him. Connor, you need to sub him.
Yeah, come on.
Connor! He's very upset.
You all right, Nick? Buddy. Hey. Hey.
Watch it, Jake. Watch it. You got it. Play the ball and play hard. We're good. You're good.
Yes, Jordy. Go, Teddy.
Oh, good shot, Teddy!
Great job, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Keep it up, Yellow.
Is Mason okay?
Let's go. Nothing but a game. Got it. Got it.
He's just bored. He's just bored.
Well, I know, but he was like pushed over.
Chase it.
First, taking a little rest.
I know, but
That's what I would do.
Who is sitting?
go, Nick!
Look at Jordy. Look at Jordy. Great ball, Marky.
That a boy?
There you go.
Come on, let's go.
Look at it. Keep going. Keep going.
Move around.
Keep going. Keep going.
Don't pass it.
Yes. There you go. Look at Teddy. Keep going. Keep going.
Go, Teddy!
Nice pass, Jordy.
Way to go, Teddy. Way to
Look at Teddy. Go. That's you, baby.
Get up.
That a boy. That a boy. 4.
That's it, Luke.
Nice. Way to battle.
It's so much pushing even after the fact. It's just a lot. He's holding his own when he has the ball, though. I think once he gets rid of the ball, he's like, okay, I'm going down.
Well, keep running the clock. Keep Mason waiting in the wings. Oh, that's not our cup. I don't know. This is that. That's somebody else's drink. Or it's empty. They'll take care of it. Leave it alone, please. Stop touching the garbage. Stop, I said. It's not your cup. Well, I do.
There we go.
Oh.
Good try, Nick. Let's go, hey. Can't let up.
Come on, guys.
Go,
Go,
Yellow.
we're losing. Come on.
Let's go, Yellow.
You gotta play quicker, guys.
Don't do
Take
that.
your time.
Hey, let's play quicker. We're losing. Come on.
Go. Pressure.
Save your the other
One
side.
behind Jordy. You got one behind you.
Offside.
Offside.
Offsides. Jake.
Good job, Yellow.
Guys, you gotta wake up. You're losing. Come on.
Keep going.
Go, baby, go.
Talk to him.
In the middle now. In the box.
Stop it, Andy.
Come on, let's play quicker.
Let's go. Hustle back. Hustle back.
Tony, on this side.
Go.
Yeah.
What are we saying?
Did he not just triple blow the whistle?
He blows it 3 times and then that.
Did he not just triple blow? Where is he even going?
You only blow the whistle once.
Stay off that chair. It's not
Go,
our chair.
go,
It's
go.
not our chair.
Wow, that could be a
Stay off.
momentum changer.
Thank you.
There you go, G. Let's go.
Ball doesn't lie.
Let's go, Yellow.
Jordy, watch your back.
Mark up.
Mark it up. Go, Luke. Go.
Get it out, Luke.
Keep going. Jordy, watch behind you.
There you go.
Take your time, Mason.
Get on it. Hold it.
Ready outline.
Come on, guys, let's pressure. Come on.
Go, Nick, up the line. Go, Nick, go.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, we're losing. Wake
Take
up.
center. Go, Jordy. Drop back.
Come on, Jordy, help.
Get out of there.
That's out.
Way to go. Yeah, attaboy, Joaquin.
Great hustle, Joaquin.
Yes.
Right?
Hey.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Big ball, go.
No,
Go
don't.
after Luke.
Gotta keep it.
Yes.
Look at Janet! Good job. Take your time. Go! Be smart. Thank you, Luke. Go, baby!
Good, stay with him. Stay with him.
Jordy, go. Jordy, go.
Go after it! Go after it! Yes, G! Yes, G! Go!